Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update FAQ pages to reduce friction and increase rankings. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by conducting a thorough review of your existing FAQ page. Identify common pain points and questions that customers frequently ask. Analyze user behavior through analytics tools to determine which questions are most viewed. Gather feedback from customer service teams about recurring inquiries. Research keywords related to these questions using keyword research tools. Incorporate these keywords naturally into the questions and answers. Ensure your FAQ page is well organized by grouping similar questions together. Use clear, concise language to enhance readability. Provide direct answers without unnecessary jargon. Add links to relevant resources for more in-depth information where appropriate. Consider using multimedia elements like images, videos, or infographics to enhance understanding. Optimize the FAQ page's meta title and description to improve visibility in search results. Implement schema markup to help search engines better understand your content. Regularly update the FAQ page to reflect new products, services, or customer concerns. Test your FAQ page's functionality across various devices and browsers for accessibility. Monitor the page's performance through tracking metrics like engagement and rankings. Make adjustments based on user feedback and analytics data to continually improve the page. Promote your updated FAQ page through other marketing channels to drive traffic. Engage users by enabling comments or a feedback mechanism on the page. Assess the overall impact of these updates on both user experience and search rankings. Document the changes and results for future reference and continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.